In recent years, some Middle Eastern countries haven't seen eye to eye on major issues, but when they sit down in Vienna on Thursday, things are likely to be different. Unlike last year's staggering talks, it seems OPEC and non-OPEC oil producers agree this time around that the current cuts need to be extended.
Saudi needs a higher oil price because they want to maximize the valuation of the Aramco IPO next year, whereas Iran, because they've drawn down a lot of their floating storage, they have less barrels to sell into the market, so they don't want to really cut production too much. Iraq has got its own issues.
The certainty is largely down to an agreement last week by the world's two largest oil exporters, Saudi Arabia and Russia, to extend the existing deal to cut 1.8 million barrels per day off global markets until March 2018.
We've come to the conclusion that the agreement needs to be extended. We will not reach the desired inventory level by end of June, and therefore we also came to the conclusion that ending will probably be better at the end of the first quarter of 2018.
Pretty much all Middle Eastern producers still rely heavily on oil sales for state spending. Experts think that's a key reason why countries like Saudi will be pushing for an extension, as oil prices have failed to go above the $60 a barrel mark.
Their financial position has improved because of the increasing oil price, but also because of debt issuance. They've issued massive amounts of debt, but this is not a sustainable thing for their economy, so they want to rather have higher oil prices rather than borrowing more money to fund the spending needs.
So far, Iran, Iraq, the UAE and Kuwait have all shown their support for an extension of the current agreement.
Will that be enough? It depends on how prices react, really, because as we've seen, the US producers are very flexible and they respond very quickly to any increases in prices.
Unlike last year's talks, the sticking point this time around appears to be how long the cuts will be extended for. Despite the political upheaval in the region, it seems that Middle Eastern producers are on the same page when it comes to making money. They're hoping that deeper cuts will be able to push up prices and boost their finances. Naweed Jabakil, CGTN, Dubai.